fireweed is a brilliant purple flower, the first thing to grow back after fire, the first signs of life. In the fall, the fireweed loses its beautiful purple color, but it does not lose its beauty. The prompt was to write about plants. Relating back to PH1 is sometimes life can look dreary. Fire, weeds, both can be seen in a negative light. Having a little bit of light and color to help bring happiness is amazing. And being able to express those thoughts kind of honestly just to yourself at first, and then to family, to loved ones, and expressing that to others helps so you don't feel so alone. The tall stems turn red, once again giving life and vibrancy to its surroundings, and signals the end of a season, time for change.